Greeting, wonderful viewers. Get ready to be captivated as we embark on a delightful journey through the fascinating world of nail art. Our mission to unveil a mesmerizing collection of distinct nail art designs that celebrate the artistry of self-expression. Nail art isn't just about colors, it's a medium for telling your story and flaunting your uniqueness. So fashion your seat belt as we dive into a spectrum of classic, nature-inspired, whimsical, abstract, pop culture, seasonal, and experimental designs that promise to ignite your creativity. Classic and elegant designs. Let's initiate our expeditions by paying homage to the classic page 2 users in the timeless elegance of the French tip designs, a revered classic that has graced fingertips across generations. Page 3 opens a treasure trove of understated magnificence with nude shades adorned by delicate rhinestones and stubbles glimmers. These designs are like whispered secrets shared between the nails and the soul, adding a touch of grace to any event of gathering. Nature inspired nail art. Oh, the glory of the natural world. Page 4 blooms with intricate floral motifs there each petal becomes a brushstrokes of artist brilliance. It's akin to having a splendid garden right at your fingertips. Page 5 unveils captivating nail art inspired by the flutter of butterflies, the grace of birds, and the tranquility of landscapes. That these designs are not only adorn your nails but also offer a serene escape into the embrace of nature wonders. Uh, to prepare for a touch of enhancement, page 6 beckons us into a realm of unicorns and rainbows. Nail art that's as whimsical as it's vibrant. It's an invitation to embrace your inner child to reveal in colors and possibilities. Page 7 takes us further into the realm of fantasy with nail art that encyclopedia the allure of mermaids and the mystics of fairies. It's a chance to be part of your own enhancing table. Now let's embrace modernity with grace. Page 8 introduces us to minimalist nail art designs, characteristics by their geometric precisions, a trend that epitomizes elegance and suits the contemporary fashion trends of the early the abstract nail art, where bold hues and unconventional patterns comes alive. It's canvas that encourage your